For those running HP ProLiant DL320G11, DL325G11, DL345G11, DL360G11, DL365G11, DL380G11, DL380AG11, or ML350G11 servers, memory upgrades can be a crucial way to boost performance. Today, we're looking at the ATEC 16GB DDR5 4800MHz ECC registered RDIMM, specifically designed for these systems. This isn't your average desktop RAM. It's ECC registered memory, which is essential for server environments where data integrity is paramount. The ECC, or error-correcting code, feature detects and corrects internal data corruption, preventing crashes and ensuring stability, especially under heavy workloads. The registered aspect means there's a register between the memory controller and the draw modules, reducing the load on the memory controller and allowing for greater stability with larger memory configurations. The ATEC module operates at 4800 MHz, adhering to the PC 5-38400 standard. It's a DDR5 DMM with 288 pins, and it's a 1RX8 configuration. This essentially means it's a single rank module with 8 memory chips on one side. It also operates at the DDR5 standard voltage of 1.1 V. Installation is generally straightforward. ATEC emphasizes that it's a quick and easy process that can be done at home. However, always refer to your server's manual for specific instructions on seating and channel configurations. Incorrect installation can prevent the system from booting or recognizing the new memory. The key benefit here is improved performance. Adding more RAM allows your server to handle more tasks simultaneously, reducing bottlenecks and improving overall responsiveness. This is particularly noticeable when running virtual machines, databases, or other memory-intensive applications. ATEC backs this memory module with a limited lifetime warranty, which provides peace of mind. They also offer tech support, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. In summary, the ATEC 16GB DDR5 4800MHz ECC registered RDIMM is a solid choice for upgrading the memory in compatible HP ProLiant servers. Its ECC and registered features make it well-suited for demanding server environments, and the straightforward installation process makes it accessible to a wide range of users. The lifetime warranty and tech support are added bonuses that further enhance its value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.